This is how you're going to reply to negative feedback on eBay. First, you're going to log into your eBay account. From here, we're going to select sell right here from the top right of our screen. And then from the sell section, we're going to click on overview right here so that we'll be able to see the feedback section. We're just going to scroll down until we find feedback right here at the left side. And then from there, I'm just going to click on it to open the feedback profile section. From there, you'll be able to see your feedback ratings right here. So you have the positive, the neutrals, and then the negative feedbacks. So what you're going to do is you're going to scroll down until you find this feedbacks. So you'll be able to see any feedback that you received from here. Now, what you're going to do is you're just going to have to click the reply link next to the feedback entry once you have it shown right here. And if you cannot find the reply link, you can just simply click on the feedback itself, where you will find a reply section. Now you're gonna have to just type in your message. You can write a professional, concise, and factual response, and then click on leave reply. You cannot edit it after submission, so make sure that you say you keep being professional and concise, as well as being factual. And that's it. That is how you're going to reply to negative feedback on eBay. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.